Hi, welcome back to Wallflowers. So, as you can see, today's video is called Two Cleaning Products I Will Never Buy Again. I don't normally do videos like this, but I just felt the need to. I'd ordered two products before I went away on holiday, and they arrived the day I got back. And I was so eager to use them, so I opened them up quickly. I'd bought them both off Temu. Um, one was just a few pounds, and the other one was, how much was the tub? The other one was £6. So the first item is, let me just put my glasses on so I can read the name to you properly. So it's called Pipeline Dredging Agents. Now you may have seen videos for it. So basically you tip it down the sink plug hole, and it bubbles up like bicarbonate of soda does and makes a reaction, and it cleans all hairs, insects, gunks, anything that may be causing a blockage in your sink. Now, I don't think you can actually see through the plastic there. You may be able to. I've used the majority of the bottle just down one plug hole. We don't actually have a blockage, but I thought there may have been some coating on the pipe. Been going into the kitchen each morning, and there's been like a musky smell, not musky, just an off-putting smell, not a nice, pleasant aroma in the kitchen. And I've been worried about it for a while now. And I've been putting numerous things down. I've put bleach down it, cleaning agents down it, I've put vinegar down it, all on separate occasions, trying to see what fits best. And when I saw this advertised, I thought it would be perfect to actually clear the pipes. As I say, I've used well over three quarters of it, well over three quarters of the bottle, and nothing. There was no reaction, there was nothing at all. It just went down. You pour hot water down the hole, and then you're only supposed to pour approximately a quarter of the tub down. And I put a hell of a lot more down, and there was no reaction at all. And we'd actually waited weeks and weeks and weeks for this to arrive from China. So basically, if you're thinking the same as me and you've seen this product, I wouldn't bother, because I feel as if I've wasted my money buying this product, and I will not be purchasing it again. Now I've bought the other product where the same effect, you put powder down the toilet after putting hot water down, and that works amazingly. So that product I would highly recommend, but not that one. Another item I've seen, and these are on TikTok, are cloths like this, and they come in bundles of anywhere between 3 and 10. You wet it under the tap, and you can clean your TV, or you can clean anything with a shiny surface. You can clean glass supposedly with it, all your porcelain surfaces, absolutely everything, and it leaves no streaks. Now I've tried over and over again to try and clean that TV, and I don't know if it's going to show up on that camera, but it's so, we call it smeary. It's so full of streaks, it's unbelievable, and it's worse now than it was to begin with, I feel. I'm just hoping they show up on the TV, because normally you have to try and catch it in the light to see it. So I'm now left with 8 more of these sheets, and they don't work, so I'm just going to use them for floor cloths basically. But yeah, I'll never buy them again. I've been decluttering the house for quite a while now, and I've been trying to work through each room and declutter, and then gradually, slowly but surely, things creep back in again, especially with the amount of DIY jobs we've been having in the home. and things are coming in and out. So dust has accumulated. I try my best to keep on top of the dust cleaning, but things like preventing streaks, for me, it's hard work. We have two exceedingly large mirrors. We have lots of windows, lots of shiny surfaces, TVs, picture glass, lots of things. And it's a lot of elbow grease, and it's tiring to try and buff them up and get a shine. And I thought they were going to be the miracle cure, but believe me, it's not. So I don't know what I'm going to do with the TV and the different items that I've attempted to clean, because there's so much more full of streaks now than they were to begin with. So yeah, bearer of bad news if you've ordered these two products or you're thinking of ordering these two products. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not dissing Temu. I've had so many excellent products from Temu. My kitchen island, for one instance, is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I got it for approximately £150. The same one on Amazon at the time was £100 dearer. When we got the kitchen fitted, they actually wanted £400 just for exactly the same island. So Temu fitted the narrative for that, and that item is absolutely beautiful. Most of the items I've ever had from Temu are absolutely brilliant, but unfortunately, these two hit the no-no for me. I just thought I'd share that with you so you don't invest money in these products, because they're going to let you down. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today. Please take care. Remember you're loved, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.